Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. This is my Tanjore on fabric, Yashoda Krishna. This is advanced course. Those interested can join my advanced course. These two designs will be taught in my basic course, and this is Tanjore on board, two boards on basic course. This design and the swan design of Tanjore on fabric basic course. As you can see, these two designs. Those interested can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. This is freehand painting on a kurti. Those interested can buy this, or I take order works. Then there is freehand painting course. Those interested, they can join and learn 6 flowers in a course. This is freehand painting course and you can learn these 6 flowers, and I have freehand painting course book. Those interested can buy and follow my videos. My details are there in this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Bye.